My name is Jason Harris. I'm from Pittsburgh, North Carolina, and I drive the 1969 Party Time Pro Boost Pro Charge Camaro. I'm different in a way that I don't get rattled real easy. I've been doing it for a long time. I was born and raised drag racing. I don't know anything else. This is my family. This is where I grew up. So I'm just out here to have fun and do the best I can. And you know, we're a low budget team and we kind of do the best we can with the high budget teams, but we're out here to race and put on a good show. Well, the good thing about PDRA is you can come, you can be a part of the pits. It's not like you're roped off where you can't be in there and come see me. You can walk right up to my car. You can ask me questions along with anybody else. We're more of a family, more of a homegrown organization where everybody can come see and be a part of racing. It's, you know, a really, really down to earth business, and it's ran as well as any organization can. I think some of the fans don't get to see a lot of the behind the scenes it takes to put on one of these races for the track and the staff at PDRA. And me as a racer, I just enjoy going up and down the racetrack on a safe racetrack, know that it's going to be done in a timely manner and I can get home to my family. Well, being as an 8-mile race, you know, not always the fastest car wins. So sometimes you got to be good on both ends of the racetrack. You got to be, you know, good on the tree, you got to be concentrated, but you also have to have a pretty fast hot rod. So I think you got to put 2 and 2 together, where other organizations I don't think are so much. I think you can just kind of be the fastest car with the most money and you seem to pick up win lots. I'm kind of a weird driver. I like to be able to race as hard as I can. I'd rather run somebody that I've got to go 100% on and do the best I can. That's when you'll see me shine. Playing the ladder game's never been my thing. I just want to race and take, you know, every round you can. I'd rather have the #1 guy on first round than I would in the final.
We're in the wild now. We're in the wild. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. We're in the wild.
I am Jason Harris, and I am the PDRA.